Hey everyone, Sandeep here from 99signals.com, and in this video I'll be doing a review and demo of PageTest.AI, a no-code A/B testing tool that helps you optimize your website copy, headlines, and CTAs using AI. If you've ever wanted to improve conversions but didn't want to deal with clunky testing tools or rely on developers, PageTest might be exactly what you need. In this demo, I'll show you how to quickly set up your first A/B test on any live website, how to use AI-generated variants to test copy elements such as headlines, how the platform tracks user engagement and automatically picks a winner, and the kind of insights you can expect once the test goes live. Right now, you can grab lifetime access to PageTest.AI on AppSumo starting at just $69. So before we jump into the demo, let's quickly check out all the plans currently available and what each tier includes. Right, let's check out all the pricing plans that AppSumo is offering on PageTest.AI. The license tier 1 goes for $69, where you can have 5,000 test impressions per month. You can apply page test on 5 pages and you can run 5 tests per month. You can integrate only one website with license tier 1, and you get access to all of these features: A/B testing, multivariate testing. You also get AI copywriting suggestions, which I think is really important. And when I'm doing the demo of the product, I'll show you how PageTest automatically provides these suggestions. You also have a no-code setup. I'll show you very shortly how you can do that with PageTest. And you also get a test dashboard, you get a free Chrome extension, and you get a WordPress plugin. So if 5 tests are not enough for you, then I would recommend going with license tier 2, where you can have 10 tests per month. You can also integrate PageTest.AI on 3 websites. So license tier 2 is the plan that I'm currently using because I wanted to integrate PageTest into multiple websites, and I also wanted to use it for one of my clients. But if 5 tests per month are enough for you, if you're happy with 5,000 impressions, then you can start with license tier 1, test out the tool, and if it adds value to your business, then you can upgrade to any of the other license tiers. Now that you're aware of all the pricing plans that are available for PageTest at AppSumo, let me do a quick demo to show you how PageTest works. Right, I've just logged into my PageTest dashboard, and the first thing you need to do when you log in is to add your website. So click on Add New Website. Just paste your website URL here and then hit the next button. This is where you need to add a code to your website to start using PageTest. The simplest way to do it if you're running WordPress is to download and activate the PageTest WordPress plugin. And once you've done that, you can start running tests on your WordPress dashboard itself. There are specific installation instructions for Shopify and Google Tag Manager. You can use either of these techniques. If you're using a Shopify e-commerce store, then there are specific installation instructions for you to activate PageTest on your Shopify store. You can also use Google Tag Manager. You can just copy this code and create a new GTM tag, and you can verify PageTest through this technique. Or you can simply copy this code and paste it in your theme editor. And once you've done that, you can hit the next button, and that's about it. You can start running tests on your website using PageTest.AI. Now, the easiest way for you to initiate A/B testing on your website is to install the Chrome extension. So just click on this button and it'll take you to the PageTest.AI Chrome extension. You just need to add it to your Chrome browser. And once the Chrome extension has been activated, you can go to any page on your website and start running tests there. So let me just show you how this works. So I've installed PageTest.AI on 99 Signals. So let me just visit 99 Signals. So let's say I want to test this page. Let's say I want to do some A/B testing for the headline. All I need to do is click on the PageTest.AI Chrome extension and then click on Test This Page, Add New Test, and then select this headline. Now, since I've selected the headline, it will show me AI suggestions for the different headlines that I can test out. I can pick and choose any headline that I would like to test, or I can choose all of them to see what works. Then I need to select the test goals. Let me just select time on page as the test goal, and I can also set priority here. And then I need to give the test a name. So let me just call it header test for 8 best AI chatbot builders. And then I just need to save the test. So that's how you can run an A/B test using PageTest.AI. This was a simple header test that I did for a blog post. But I think the real value of this tool comes when you use it on a landing page like this. So this is a landing page I have for an ebook that I'm selling, and I can test out different sections of the same page and have variants for these sections, like the hero page content, then the first scroll content, the second scroll content. I can test out all of these sections and do A/B testing for all of these sections to see which one is performing the best. So I'll show you a report shortly, but once it's installed on a page like this or on a blog post like this, you can test out different sections of the same blog post and have test variants for different sections and see which one is performing the best. Let me now show you a report for one of the tests that I was running using PageTest.AI. So I have a monthly roundup of the best AppSumo deals on my blog, and this is where I was running the header test. The success criteria was the time spent on page. And in this case, I have a clear winner out of all of these variants. There is this particular header which gathered the same amount of impressions, but the average time spent on page was 7 minutes 47 seconds. So when I have a clear winner like this, all I need to do is change the meta title of this post so that the header that has been picked as a winner here reflects in the search result pages as well. So this is how the tool automatically picks out a winner for you based on your success criteria. So all you need to do once you start running a test is give it more time to gather more impressions. Even in this case, I would like to have more impressions to see how the other variants are performing, so that there is a clear winner after, let's say, 2 weeks or 3 weeks or even a month based on the number of impressions that you're getting for your post. So this is how PageTest.AI works. It's a very simple way for you to start doing A/B testing on your blog or on your website. You can even test it out for your product pages, for your e-commerce website, and it will show you a clear winner based on the different variants that you're testing. So based on this demo, if you found this tool interesting, you can grab lifetime access to it for just $69 at AppSumo. You can find a link in the description. If you want more tests and more impressions for your pages, then I would advise you to go with License Tier 2. You can also add 3 websites under License Tier 2, and you also get a sufficient amount of impressions. So do check out the link in the description to see the PageTest.AI deal at AppSumo. And if you really want to simplify A/B testing on your website and use the power of AI to level up your game, do grab this deal before it's sold out. Thank you so much for watching this PageTest.AI demo. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you soon.